Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to see about the two-square factorial experiment. Simply the factorial experiment is nothing but estimating or find out the variation between two treatments simultaneously, combining their levels and find out the variation between these two treatments. The levels are nothing but A0, A1 and B0, B1. ఇక్కడ మనం ట్రీట్మెంట్స్ మధ్యలో వేరియేషన్ని కనుక్కుంటున్నాం. ఏ అనే ట్రీట్మెంట్ ఎఫెక్టివ్గా ఉందా బి కంటే, లేదంటే బి అనే ట్రీట్మెంట్ మోర్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ దాన్ ఏ అనేది చూసుకుంటున్నాం. వీఆర్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఫైండ్ అవుటింగ్ ది వేరియేషన్ బిట్వీన్ దీస్ టూ ట్రీట్మెంట్స్, వీఆర్ ఆల్సో కంబైనింగ్ దీస్ ట్రీట్మెంట్స్ విత్ దేర్ లెవెల్ ఆఫ్ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్. ఓకే, సో నౌ the treatment combination can be written as the treatment A of low level, this is called as low level, and A1 is high level. This B0 is a low level of B and B1 is a high level of B, and A0 with B0 and A0 with B1. So the first combination treatment is A0 B0, which is equals to, this is low level and this is low level of A and this is low level of B. So we will mention it as 1. And the second combination is A0 with B1. A0 B1. Here the A0 is low level of A. B1 is high level of B. So we always mention only the high levels. So we get B here. And third one is A1 with B0 and A1 with B1. The high level of A with low level of B and high level of B. So the third combination will be A1 B0, and here the high level is A. So we only mention the high levels A. And the fourth combination treatment is A1 with B1. So A1 B1. Here both are the high levels. So we will mention both the high levels A, B. These are nothing but the treatment combinations. We have the 4 treatment combinations. 4 treatment combinations. Now we need to find out the main effect. This is A is nothing but the main effect of A. This is main effect of B, and this AB is nothing but the interaction effect. Interaction effect. Now we need to find out the main effect of B, main effect of A, and interaction effect of AB, because A, B are independent here. They are interacting each other. Okay. So now we need to find out main effect A, main effect B, and interaction effect. So first, to find out the main effect of A or main effect of B, first we need to find out the simple events. Main effect of A is equals to the average of simple events A, simple events of A, and the main effect of B is equals to average of simple events of B, and the main effect is completed. Now interaction effect. How to find out the interaction effect? Interaction effect of AB, which is nothing but the average difference between the effect of A with high level of B and effect of A with low level of B. So in order to find out the main effect, let us find out what are the simple events. So first let us take main effect of A. Simple event of A. A has 2 levels, A0, A1. Simple event of A, which is nothing but the difference between difference between high level and low level. To find out the simple event of A with B. Let us consider one table, that is this one. Divide it into 4 parts. This is A0, this is A1, and this is B0, this is B1. Here we get A0, B0, A1, B0, A0, B1, and A1, B1. So first let us take here the difference between high level and the low level, and we are calculating for A. The high level of A is A1. So A1 minus, this is the difference, low level. Low level of A is A0. So A0 and the simple event of A with B. So B has 2 levels again, B0, B1. So first let us take B0. So B0, B0. Simply A1 B0 minus A0 B0, which is equals to the high levels only we mentioned. So the high level is A here. So A minus A0 B0, both are low levels. So we'll write it as 1. Okay. Here the simple event of A with factor B of low level. Now next we need to find out simple event of A with B of high level. Right? So the second one will be, here again the difference between high level and low level. High level of A is A1 minus low level of A is A0, and here the simple event of A with B of high level. The high level of B is nothing but B1. Therefore B1, B1. Simply A1 B1 minus A0 B1, which is A1 B1. Here both are high levels. So AB minus B. These are the two simple events for the A we got. Now we can calculate the main effect of A. The main effect of A is equals to average of simple events of A, which is nothing but we need to do the mean. So we got the two simple events. So 1 by 2 A minus 1 plus AB minus B. So 1 by 2, and if we A minus 1 plus, if we take common from this both B term, then we get A minus 1. In this both A minus 1, we can take common. So A minus 1, and we only remain with B plus 1. We can simply, this whole term can be written as simply like this. A into B, AB, A into 1, A, minus 1 into B, minus B, minus into minus, plus 1 into 1, minus into plus minus, and 1 into 1, 1, minus 1. Simply. Now let us calculate the simple events of B. Simple event of B. B had B0, B1 with factor A high level, with A has A0 and A1 factors, right? This is also nothing but the difference between high level and the low level. Difference between high level and low level. So now let us estimate the simple event of B with low level of A. This is nothing but the low level of A0. So the difference between high level and low level. Here the high level of B is B1. So B1 minus the low level is B0. So B0, and we are finding out the simple event of a B with low level of A. So A0. A0, A0. Or we can also written as A0 B1 minus A0 B0. Simple, we can write it like this. Here only we mentioned the high levels. So here B is the high level. B minus these both are low levels. So we'll put it as 1. And now we need to calculate the simple event of B with high level of A. This is the high level of A, right? Now again the formula is same, difference between high level and the low level. So here we are finding out the simple event of B. So the high level is B1 minus low level is B0. And we are finding out the simple event of B with high level of A. Here is the high level A1. So A1, A1. Simply we can write it as A1 B1 minus A1 B0. And we only mention the high levels. So these both are the high levels. AB minus, and A is the high level. So A. And now we can calculate the main effect of B, which is equals to the average of simple events. The average we got as two numbers. So 1 by 2 into B minus 1 plus AB minus A. Simply we can write it as 1 by 2 into A plus 1 and B minus 1. A into B, AB. So we got AB, and A into minus 1, minus A, and plus 1 into B, plus B, and minus 1 into plus 1, minus 1. So minus 1. And if you carefully observe, we are finding out the main effect of A. So we got A minus 1, right? And all the terms will be plus 1 only. And if you see the main effect of B, we are finding out the main effect of B. So we got B minus 1. All the remaining terms will be plus 1. In this way, you can remember the main effects or simple events. In the next video, we are going to find out the interaction effect AB. Thank you all.